Welcome to our channel Gadgets Wheel. Today we're exploring the latest home gadgets that bring convenience and innovation to your daily life. From smart tools to space-saving solutions, stay tuned for some amazing finds. Kitchen Sink Filter Basket. Say goodbye to clogged drains and messy sinks. The Kitchen Sink Filter Basket is a smart, versatile tool designed to catch food scraps while letting water flow freely. Its anti-leak design prevents blockages, saving you time and hassle. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, it's easy to install, remove, and clean. Durable, reusable, and eco-friendly. This filter basket keeps your sink clean and your plumbing safe. A must-have gadget for a mess-free kitchen. Portable Electric Blender. Introducing the portable 200 ml electric blender. Your go-to mini smoothie and fruit juicer mixer? Compact USB, rechargeable, and easy to carry, it's perfect for smoothies, shakes, and juices on the go. With a vibrant, colorful design and 200 ml capacity, this personal blender is ideal for home, office, travel, or workouts. Quick blending, easy cleaning. Health and convenience in one. Wireless lighted wall socket. Upgrade your outlets with this wireless lighted wall socket expander. This multi-function, multi-position converter adds extra plugs while lighting up your space. Safe, convenient, and easy to install, it's perfect for any room. Combines practicality with modern home decor for a smarter living environment. Shower water thermometer. This shower water thermometer features an LED display and touch activation, showing real-time water temperature from 0 degrees C to 99 degrees C. Perfect for safe, comfortable baths with intelligent, easy-to-read monitoring. Hanger double head. This easy-to-install suction cup hanger features a double head design, providing extra storage without drilling. Ideal for renters and homeowners, it sticks securely to smooth surfaces. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or closets. Broom holder, wall-mounted. Keep your home neat and organized with this wall-mounted broom and mop holder, no drilling required. Designed with strong adhesive backing, it securely holds brooms, mops, and cleaning tools without damaging your walls. The fixed buckle design ensures items stay in place, while the compact layout saves valuable floor space. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, or utility closets, it doubles as a cloth or towel hook for added functionality. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it's perfect for daily use and easy to install or remove. A smart storage solution for renters and homeowners alike. Cartoon Dopamine Soap Box. Keep your soap clean and dry with this Cartoon Dopamine Soap Box. Featuring a transparent, waterproof design and secure locking buckle, it's perfect for travel, gym, or home use. Fun, portable, and hygienic. Great for all ages. Towel rack corner. This adjustable towel bar extends from 50 centimeters to 90 centimeters, fits corners perfectly, and mounts easily with suction cups. No drilling needed. Ideal for bathrooms and saving space. Bathroom shelf suction cup. Maximize your storage space with this bathroom shelf suction cup rack. Easy to install with no drilling required, it securely attaches to smooth surfaces like tiles or glass. Perfect for organizing toiletries, cosmetics, or kitchen essentials, it doubles as a versatile storage box for the toilet, vanity, or cabinet. The wall-mounted design saves space while keeping items within easy reach. Ideal for both bathroom and kitchen use, it's a practical and stylish solution for clutter-free living. Transparent tissue box. This luxury, wall-mounted tissue box features a transparent design, offering a clean and modern look. It attaches easily with a suction cup, making installation hassle-free. Perfect for storing tissues, face towels, or small bathroom essentials. It keeps your bathroom organized and stylish without any need for drilling. Floor drain cover. It looks like you're referring to a Sanrio Hello Kitty-themed odor-proof floor drain cover that's made of silicone, designed for kitchens, bathrooms, and toilets. This type of product helps to seal drains and prevent unpleasant smells from rising, while also adding a cute, playful touch to your home decor. thanks to its Hello Kitty design. Desktop fan. The 360-degree rotatable multifunctional desktop fan features an aluminum alloy folding stand for adjustable positioning, making it portable and versatile. It offers 360-degree rotation for optimal airflow in any direction. With a built-in aromatherapy function, it can diffuse pleasant scents while cooling the air. The mini design is perfect for compact spaces, offering powerful airflow without taking up much room, making it ideal for desks, offices, or personal use. Door rear hook. The strong load bearing door rear hook features a suction cup design for perforation-free installation, offering a space-saving solution for bathrooms. It supports heavy items securely, providing a simple and efficient way to hang towels or accessories without damaging walls. Shower holder. The showerhead holder is a wall-mounted bracket designed to securely hold your showerhead without relying on suction cups. It uses strong adhesive or screws for a more permanent, sturdy installation on tile surfaces. The adjustable design allows you to set the ideal showerhead angle, providing stability and comfort even under high water pressure. Perfect for those seeking a reliable, damage-free mounting solution for their showerhead.